Hi friends, hope y'all are doing well. Today's video is a special one because I am partnering with a beautiful classic clothing collection website to showcase some of their pieces and then also give you some inspiration and ideas of how to turn those pieces, or if you have similar pieces in your own wardrobe, into beautiful classic outfits for spring and summer. Obviously specifically for petite women because I am only 5'1" and I definitely fall into that petite zone. So this video is going to be all about outfit ideas, some beautiful classic pieces to potentially add into your wardrobe for the spring and summer season. And as just a reminder, all of the pieces and outfits that you will see in this video will be linked down below in the description. So if you're interested in shopping any of those pieces, feel free to go down there and click on the link and do a little bit of shopping and updating your wardrobe for the upcoming season. So the first item I wanted to talk about is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. So this is just a very classic, beautiful square neck top in like a kind of a bit of a knit. It's a very, very soft cotton type material. Has a bit of like an eyelet detail throughout. The scallops around the neckline is beautiful. Square necklines is such a classic look. Very Parisian, very French, very spring and summer. And I think that a top like this is absolutely perfect for having in your wardrobe for styling so many different types of ways. It's beautiful, it's elegant. I am styling this with just a pair of denim to start with and a pair of sandals because I think that that's just a very easy kind of no nonsense, you don't have to think about it, put it on type of outfit that can be worn for so many different types of occasions. But you could also definitely dress it up with a pair of trousers, you could put it with a skirt, you could add a pair of shorts with it and be a bit more casual. Like I said, I think a piece like this is so classic because it can go spring, summer, or fall, especially in a neutral color like this. It's beautiful, it's very elegant, it fits very well. I'm wearing a size small, and I think just the overall kind of detailing, the scallops on the sleeves and along the bottom and as well as the neckline is just so beautiful and elegant. And I think that this is a really good bargain for kind of the price versus the quality of the fabric. Cezanne has quite a few pieces that are like this and they're 2, 3, 4 times the price of this. So if you're interested in adding something like this that might not be the highest quality that you could possibly find, like a piece from Cezanne, but you want to just add something like this in your wardrobe, this will be a great kind of introductory piece to see if it works for your body type and style and see if you actually really like it to wear with many outfits spring and summer. Okay, the next piece that I kind of want to highlight as a bit of an essential, I would say, in a spring and summer wardrobe is going to be just a very classic black, I would preferably say linen dress. And this one is a really fun style. It might not look like too much on a hanger, but it is an apron style dress in a black linen. This is one that is just a very, very kind of Italian style. Think of going on ice cream dates. Think of, you know, going to the Italian Riviera if that's what strikes your fancy. That's the vibe that a dress like this absolutely pulls off. Because it has such a wide kind of open back and the straps are quite long, I'm probably going to do a bit of kind of tailoring on this to make it fit me a little bit better. This one is a bit of a midi length, kind of hits mid-calf. So just styling this over for the time being, like a white t-shirt or a white tank top, is just a very kind of casual but still elevated, elegant look that is so lovely. Pair it with a pair of white leather sneakers, a straw bag, a sun hat, a bit of highlighter on your face, and you are absolutely ready for any summer vacation, any summer vibes that are coming your way. Like I said, this is kind of a very elegant, let's go romping through a field in Italy type of dress that I think is just so perfect to have in a wardrobe. Obviously, there are so many different styles and types of linen dresses these days. So many brands have them, and I think they're all so beautiful, and my goal this year is to add as many linen dresses into my wardrobe as I possibly can. And while we're on the topic of linen, honestly, it is just the perfect fabric for late spring as the weather turns much warmer, and then obviously all throughout summertime. Linen is just one of those breathable, lightweight, casual, but still could be very elevated fabrics that just marries perfectly with any spring or summer activity you might be doing, whether it's going to the office or going on a date. So this pair of kind of tan linen trousers, I think, marries this idea of linen pants, but still elevating them a little bit and making them a little bit more chic. Linen pants normally have this whole connotation of very casual beach vibes, and I think that that is absolutely something that is wonderful and lovely and can be so beautiful in their own right. But I think that if you have a pair of linen or linen inspired or linen blend trousers that you can be a little bit more sophisticated in, that just adds such a lovely kind of edge and feel to your outfits, and honestly versatility to your outfits. So this pair is obviously available to shop down below. A pair of just tan, fully lined, which I love, linen trousers. They're so comfortable. For a petite, these are definitely a bit too long, but the lovely thing about a fabric like this is that it's so easy to hem. You can just do a little hem on the bottom, keep them long enough to kind of drag and look very elegant with heels, or still wear them with flats if you want. Pairing these is so incredibly simple. You could do just a classic white top, you could do a button down, you could do a tank, you could do stripes for a much more nautical look. Honestly, the possibilities are endless with these, and I think that this is such a great staple to have in your wardrobe for the warmer months. So in my very humble opinion, I think that one of the best combos of kind of warm weather outfits is a long sleeve shirt and shorts. And I say that because obviously summertime, it gets steamy and hot outside, the air conditioning is running full blast on the inside. And so I absolutely love kind of the juxtaposition of a sweater with shorts or a long sleeve shirt with shorts, or even a sweatshirt or a hoodie with shorts. I think that that is just such a fun kind of styling of two pieces that you might not necessarily think are perfect for kind of the warmer months or the summertime. So these next two pieces I want to show you kind of fall into that category. So the first one is actually a just lovely, slightly oversized black sweater. Now this one is just a very, like, I believe it's like an acrylic yarn, so it's not going to be heavy, it is not wool. It also has a very open weave, so again, it's going to be a bit more breathable, which is not something you hear a lot with sweaters, but styling this with a pair of shorts for the spring and summer honestly is just the move, in my opinion. When it gets warmer and you might be headed outside, you could very, very easily just throw this all over your shoulders and have a tank underneath, and then you kind of have this lovely extra layering piece without really feeling like it's adding any weight or warmth to your body. You can still be nice and cool, but if you go inside, as most of us do in the summertime, you can throw it back on and then you are nice and cozy. So a piece like this might not look like much, but I truly think that it is an essential, a staple for kind of spring and summer styling, especially with a pair of shorts. And then the next piece honestly just falls into that exact same category. This is just, again, it might not look like too much, but a very lightweight kind of terry cloth, cozy sweatshirt. I absolutely adore the nautical vibes for spring and summer. So a piece like this that's slightly oversized, you could pair it with a skirt or shorts or even long pants. Pair it with your linen trousers and just have this wonderful, elegant, again, very nautical vibes look that is just perfect for spring and summer. Again, if it's warmer, you're headed outside, just throw it over your shoulders, tie it around your waist or around your body or something like that. And a piece like this is just going to be so wonderful to have in your arsenal to pull out for just a little bit of added elegance to any outfit while still being cozy and still being warm. And then just to bookend these essentials with just your very feminine and slightly elevated white tops. We started with this one that I absolutely love. Going to end with this one, just a darling, beautifully detailed, puffed sleeve, ruffly, again, very Parisian, very Cezanne vibes without the price tag. Top that honestly could be worn for so many different things, from the office to a date night to whatever it is. Pair this with jeans and heels, pair this with shorts. And you honestly have just such a very classic and elevated look for spring and summer. They're not anything phenomenal. Honestly, if I were looking at these in a store, I might just pass by them. But I'm telling you, these elevated basics are what makes a wardrobe, especially if you're standing in front of your closet in the morning time and you're just wondering what you're going to wear because you're tired of wearing the same thing because it's 3 months into summer and all of the pieces that you were so excited to wear have been worn on repeat over and over and over. Elevated basics like this are just going to be so versatile and so easy to style so many different ways. So this is absolutely such a staple to have in your wardrobe. Again, kind of that Cezanne vibe without the price tag. And I think just a lovely addition to your spring summer wardrobe. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that it was inspirational for you all. As always, all of the links to shop the pieces will be in the description below. Leave a comment, tell me what your favorite piece was. Follow me if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video.